It's about the boy Terro and wanna be law boss.
Yeah, what style man for your device? I don't know, so I want fully brave God skeleton then I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean I say yo, alright, I say the artists and the baddest review them man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
Viewers, want to stop what no I do and go give the artist here a listening ears. It goes by the name Shamego and in drop a song 1 hour ago titled We Love War. I may say viewers and subscribers, that song ya fling shades to Terro Dan and Shaka. You see me? Yeah man, the artist I make them know say you can't say West Side and I use Ghanaian flag. You see me? I mean, I tell you, say the artist are forward from the North Coast, you know. You know, he represent for Ghana, you know. So, me I tell you, say, yo, I don't in Africa badness, the dog them a deal with. You see what me I say? And the artist no feel comfortable for see a West Side clans I use the Ghana flag. So the artist I make you know say yo, you may say man, you go find a next flag you can't eat from somebody we hungry and want dinner. You see what me I say? So me I say yo, viewers and subscribers, I want to know if you go listen to artists, you see me, and come back right as OG TV Entertainment and come give me the hint and make me know what go on. How no feel about the song where artist drop and if it's artist are go on good because it's a North Coast artist in a whole heap of fight the artists are getting now. You see what me I say? And I just know. And right now, if you see a next artist I use him flag where artists are rep for said way, you don't know anything now go normal. Some would like if you see a war, a clash, if you coming Christmas or a sound. Yeah man. So if you say war viewers and subscribers, I want to know if you comment in the comment section. I want to know if you share up this to Terro and the artist. You see me? Shaka. Make him know say right now Shamego pissed, you know. And right now a lyrical clash we want to hear, you know. So we don't want to no stick too long for y'all answer back, you know. You see what me I say? No joke. Yeah.
Slaughter for me, you were dead for the flag for me, and me happy, so you dead.
Yo, me not take that. Nah, take them they trick them them thing there. So the artist need to go write song, you know. The artist need to go write song. Shaka you need to go write song. Terror you need to say something about this, you know, cause I want to know what really are going on, you know, because you know I run with the Ghana flag and a west side, you know say. So yo, me even know if you say, you know, me just want to hear back something from the other side. You see what me I say? So Soji TV Entertainment there, you know, and I appreciate you all. So I want to know, guys, if you go over artist Vivo and go make him know say me send you over there, and please come back over Soji TV Entertainment and leave an honest comment. You see me? So yeah man, in a them time they know want to if you just touch it, the bell icon. You see what me I say? Leave an honest comment in the comment section. Leave a like, share up the video man. You see me? Yeah man, want the world to hear this and want the world to see this. You see me? I would like a clash to start, no joke. So I want to know guys for just going on a thinking cap and just go listen to song and all a nice meds and listen concept away artists I say. You see me I say, yeah man, and go share it to Terro Dan, share it to Shaka. You see me? Yeah man, make the artist know say a beer shades over here so I fling, you know, cause right now the artists they mad. Yeah man, and what for them the artists them a put on them foot for them. You see me? Yes man, and we already see this.
Been war hobby, that will love you a pussy like cat, not Shana catches.
Yeah man, this is not nothing new in a dancehall man. You see what me I say? So right now my advice to you Shamego is you have to just continue, stick to your thing. You see what me I say? Yeah man, I would like to see clash for real. So Shaka you need to answer and make you hear what go on. You see what me I say? And make your fans. Yeah man, make your fans hear what go on. Yeah man, and make your fans grade you know and see which one the artist them a push the most weight. That's what you think there right now, cause you take a man flag, bro. You see what me I say? And a west side. West side they far from Ghana. You see what me I say? Yeah man, and the artist big up vibes, you know. So me I say big up yourself, you know, artist, cause vibes are overgrown, you know. You see what me I say? So me appreciate the viewers and the subscribers them as it. So I want to know if you just share up the thing and support the movement. Yeah man, I want to know guys have a productive evening now. You see me? And go by artist Vivo, go listen out the artist song. You see what me I say? And put on meds and meds song. Really swear on us with meds. You see me? And Shaka need to answer this car. Where artists are saying this. We not take that as a road boy in the street. And you don't know say artist things so put the pen and the paper to work and the headphone and the microphone, you see me, talkaphone. Yeah man, so me I say, mother I mean hundreds